In this video, we'll look at a powerful new feature in After Effects 2025, Quick Offset. Quick Offset lets you stagger layers and keyframes instantly without having to manually drag them one by one. It's a huge time saver when working with motion graphics or layered animations. To use it, simply select multiple layers or keyframes in your composition. Then hold down Command and Option on Mac or Control and Alt on Windows and hover near the start or end of one of your selected items until you see the Quick Offset handle appear. Click and drag left or right. After Effects will automatically stagger the selected layers or keyframes evenly across the timeline. You can even make non-contiguous selections, allowing you to offset layers or keyframes in the exact order they were selected. You can control the spacing dynamically as you drag, giving you immediate visual feedback on your timing. It's perfect for quickly offsetting text animations, shape layers or transitions without having to adjust each keyframe individually. Quick Offset makes complex layer sequencing fast, intuitive and visual, letting you focus more on the rhythm and flow of your animation rather than the mechanics of alignment.